Hey everyone, it's Ariel. Welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. It feels like forever since I've made a video. I think it's been like a little over a week since I posted my last video, which was day 25 of Vlogmas. So I did take a little bit of time off, but I feel a lot better and just more relaxed and refreshed. Definitely have been enjoying a little bit of a break after that crazy month, but I'm back and I'm happy to be back. Hopefully you guys all had a safe and happy New Year's and had a good holiday season, and you were able to enjoy some time with either friends or family, or just alone if you had to stay home by yourself. Hopefully you enjoyed yourself, and yeah, hopefully you are ready for the new year and you're feeling good. Anyway, for today's video, I'm going to be going over some hair trends of 2020. So I picked out 5 trends that I noticed were kind of some of the biggest trends of last year, I guess. And these are all trends that I think we will continue to see going into 2021. So I'm just gonna go over them. I have 5 of them here. So yeah, let's just get right into it. First trend is curtain bangs. This is one that I absolutely love. I actually have curtain bangs myself, which you obviously can't see right now, but I did do a haircut tutorial where I cut my own curtain bangs, so definitely check that out if you haven't seen it. I will link it here. But yeah, I love curtain bangs. I think they can look good on pretty much everybody. They're super like customizable and can be changed. Hi Winston. You're sneezing in my video. He just burped. But yeah, the curtain bangs are great. I love them. They're very like 70s-esque, I think, which I love personally. But yeah, that was definitely a big one that I noticed, and I'm sure you noticed in 2020. And I definitely think we are going to be seeing curtain bangs this year and probably for many years to come, which is cool because I always love when like older trends come back. I feel like it always happens, but it's cool that, yeah, it's just cool that that's one of them. Another hair trend that I noticed was really big this year was the chunky bang highlight. I'm sure you guys have seen this on social media and like everywhere on the internet. This one is very like 90s to me. It was definitely big in the 90s, and again, it's coming back. I love it. I think it's like kind of different, kind of bold, but still like really pretty at the same time. Looks good on many different haircuts, short or long. And I've also seen it like just like a blonde highlight, but also like a colorful one, so you can really like play around with this and have a lot of fun. I think it's good for anybody who's like kind of thinking about changing their color, but they're not really sure like how it's gonna look on them or like what exact shade they want to try. And with this, you're really only committing to like that chunk at the front of your head, so it's not like the worst thing if you decide you don't like it and you want to just go back to what you had before. So I love this one, and I definitely think we are going to be seeing this one throughout 2021 as well. Third hair trend is the mullet. The mullet, I don't even know what era this would be from. 70s, I guess? 80s? 80s. Yeah, 80s. I also love this one. I feel like you do have to have like a certain personality or like style to be able to pull it off. But there are a lot of variations to the mullet, and the more modern title for it is like the modern shag. So yeah, there's many variations. It could look good on pretty much anyone if it's cut right and styled right. And by the way, that goes for men and women. I think it actually looks really cool on men and women. So another cool one. I don't know like how that one started. I do remember like Miley Cyrus got it, but that might have been a couple years ago. I don't know if that was this year, but yeah, it's definitely been big this year or in 2020, and I can definitely see it still being a thing this year in 2021. Fourth trend on my list is just like textured and really layered haircuts. I feel like before, like the last few years, it's been really about like the blunt cut. Sorry if you can hear my dog chewing his bone. Winston, you're so loud. Anyway, yeah, I feel like a few years ago it was all about like the blunt, straight across cut, one length. But in 2020, I've noticed that it's a lot about like the layers, like shorter layers, lots of texture, just like very effortless looking and like kind of carefree, which I personally love. And I think it goes hand in hand with like the mullet or shag haircut, and also with the curtain bang style. It's very like just like carefree, you know, effortless. Don't even have to style it. I just kind of like woke up like this. I personally love that. So I really like that we've been seeing a lot of like layered textured haircuts, and again, I'm sure we will be seeing that going into 2021. And the last trend on my list is the big rounded natural curl cut. I love this. Again, I have a similar haircut to this as well. My hair is really short and curly. I'll try and insert a picture here, but I feel like curls every year have been making a bigger and bigger comeback, which I love. I'm happy to see it, especially having natural curly hair myself. It is really cool to see when other people are wearing their natural curly hair out, and it makes me want to wear my natural curly hair out more. So I love it, and I'm glad that more people are starting to embrace their natural hair, and hopefully we will still see a lot of this in 2021, but I don't see it going away anytime soon, honestly. Yeah, super, super pretty. I love it. So yeah, guys, those are 5 of some of the biggest hair trends of 2020, at least on my list. Let me know which one is your favorite out of these 5 and which ones you think we're gonna see the most of in 2021. Hopefully it's all of them. I really like all of these haircuts. Especially the curtain bangs is probably my personal favorite. But yeah, I do love like the overall just like carefree, modern chic, but effortless vibe that's been like surrounding haircuts and hairstyles this year. And I'm excited to see what new styles come in this year as well. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this little video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at stylebyariel_. You can also check out my blog, stylebyariel.com. I will leave that linked in the description along with my Instagram. But yeah, happy new year, guys, and I'm excited to post new content on here for you guys. I have lots of new things planned, and yeah, I'm excited to just get back to chatting with you guys and making videos. I'll stop rambling. Hopefully you liked the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.